Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We get a lot of comments, messages from our followers, from our clients that they got their Turkey tourist visa rejected due to some reason. Okay, and today in this video I'm going to tell you top 3 reasons through which your tourist visa can be rejected, and the number 3 is the most important, so please watch full video. And also I'm going to tell you like how you can apply your Turkish tourist visa with Akira Tourism and what documents you need, what is the processing time, everything you will get to know in today's video. So let's start the video. Before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh. I'm the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide you all kind of international packages, visas, hotels, flights, everything in best price and in best service. So we make sure that we give you always the best service. So please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. So guys, let me tell you the processing time, like how much time it takes when you submit your application in Turkish embassy. So after submission, it will take 15 to 20 working days for the result of your tourist visa. And you should count this time from the time of submission, not the time you submit documents to us, because this is a very big myth and big challenge that we face, because people do send us documents and they expect the visa in 15 days. But usually how it works, let me explain you. See, this Turkish tourist visa is totally depend on the appointment basis, like Schengen tourist visa, European tourist visa, like how we take appointment for France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Norway. And during the appointment and time, we go there and submit the documents, and then we expect the result in 15-20 days. This is the process that we need to understand and follow. It's not like that you give us documents and then 15 days after you start following up. So basically this is the same process you follow for the European and Schengen countries. So that's how it works. So the main part is the appointment. Like first we need to take your appointment for the available dates. And from India, if you ask me, we can get you appointments for any state because it's not that much difficult, and we have a dedicated team sitting in our office for the appointments. They do take appointment for each and every client very soon. Like for the Turkey, usually you can get the appointment within 20 to 25 days of your from today, or maybe like whenever you are trying to apply, within 20 to 25 days you can get the appointment. So if you ask me for the validity, like how many days the visa will be valid, so it will be valid for 3 months, means 90 days it will be valid, because as per our experience, the last 10 visas which got approved for Turkey, we have got 90 days validity. And if you ask me for the duration, see, this duration totally depends on the embassy. We can't tell you, we can't commit you anything, because it depends on the embassy and it depends on the documentation as well. But if you have genuine invitation letter and you have genuine reason to stay long in Turkey, maybe like any part of Turkey like Istanbul or maybe anywhere, then you should give us those documents, and on behalf of those documents we can try to get you the longer duration of Turkish tourist visa. Now let's come to the documentation part. See, if you're applying from India, we need your passport copy, Aadhaar card copy, PAN card copy, and these are the common documents all of you must have, because that's why you are applying for Turkey. So passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card copy. Apart from that, we need your last 6-month bank statement with good closing balance, because see, only statement will not work. Statement with good balance will work, because it's not just like, you go to your banking application, SDFC, ICICI, download the statement and just upload it. No bro, it will get rejected. You should have good closing balance in your account. For example, if you're traveling alone, you should have approximately like 10 to 15 lakh rupees in your account. If you're traveling with the family, you should have approximately 25 to 30 lakhs, because see, then only you will get the approval. It's not like that 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs we are going to take or embassy going to take. That is your money. Once the visa is approved, you can take out your money. But this is the process that we need to understand, that we need to follow. Apart from that, if you're working somewhere in any company in India, we need the NOC letter from the company, which is called non-objection certificate. That means your company doesn't have any kind of objection. Well, for you to travel any part of the world. So that format we can give you, NOC format we can provide you. You just need to print your company letterhead, you get the sign and send it to us. Apart from that, we need the ITR of last 3 years, which is called income tax return. Now most of the people, they don't know how to get ITR, and it's very easy and simple. You can also go online and download and share it with us. So if you don't know, you can discuss with our team. The numbers are given below and down, our address is there, so you can contact us, we can help you. If you are not working somewhere, you have your own business, then we need the GST certificate and MSME certificate for your business. So apart from these documents, we don't need NOC, we just need the GST certificate and MSME certificate. Rest of the documents are going to be same. So these are the documents required for Turkish tourist visa. Now what happens when you give us all these documents? First thing we will do, we will take your appointment, whichever is available, the earliest appointment we will take for you. After that, we will prepare your file in which there will be cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, everything will be there with proper documentation. So you just need to take that file from us and submit at the embassy. That is the process we follow. And once you send us documents, it goes from 3 funnels, from sales team to typing team to submission team, and then they finally submit the documentation. Now let's come to the price, like how much price it will be. See, we charge 12,000 rupees from all over India. Whether you are in Delhi, Mumbai, Agra, Kolkata, Chennai, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Bangalore, doesn't matter. You can contact us. We can apply your Turkish tourist visa from any part of India in 12,000 rupees, in which appointment cost is also included, which is approximately 8,000 to 8,500 rupees. So it's not like that 12,000 we are charging for our service charge. No, in 12,000 the service charge is also included. And one more thing, this is the interesting part because nobody tell you about this. Once you go to submit the file, the Turkish embassy going to charge you 15,000 for the embassy fees. This is the most important thing which nobody tell you. But we, as your trusted travel partner, we always tell you the truth and we always tell you with the transparency. So 12,000 to us, 15,000 to the embassy, approximately 27,000 rupees you will pay for Turkish tourist visa from India. So if you want to apply, the process is very simple. The numbers are given below and above. The address is given below. You just need to come to our office or contact our team. It's a free consultation. We are not going to charge you for any kind of consultation. We are the only tourism company and DMC in India as well as in UAE. We just give you free consultation. Once you decide, okay, you want to go ahead, then we charge our service charge. So guys, if you want to apply, you can contact us. Now, let me tell you the top 3 reasons through which your visa can be rejected. First thing is improper documents. Like you don't have the full documents. Like you might be missing the ITR, you might be missing the bank statement, and you submit directly. Do you think your visa will approve? It is going to be rejected, bro. You should have all the mentioned documents with you, then only apply. Otherwise, this is the total waste of money. And second common mistake which people do is the difference between the cover letter, itinerary and the travel plan. Like some date is mentioned on cover letter, some different date is mentioned on the itinerary, different flight ticket is booked, different hotel is booked. So this is going to be, totally mess. You are confusing the visa officer, and once visa officer confused, the result is going to be reject. The third and most important thing is the bank statement with good closing balance. Please don't do this mistake, like you just upload the document and you just think, okay, we will get the visa. Bro, you should have good closing balance in your account, because see, otherwise what will happen? Time, energy, both will waste. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's meet in next video. Till that time, see you.